If you want to build a solid foundation in Python programming or data analytics, then your search ends here. Hi, my name is Anubhav. I am from Patna, Bihar, India. I speak English as well as Hindi comfortably. I have done my graduation in engineering from IIIT Jabalpur. I have over 3 years of full-time teaching experience where I have taught students from CBSE K-12 to job seekers. My course skills include Python programming from basics to advanced, data analytics, where I use Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and CBOM, SQL, and digital marketing. I also hold a trainer level certification from NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India. So let's discuss some key aspects of my teaching methodology. First is clarity of concept. I try to break down even complex theories into simpler facts by way of storytelling, by way of showing them use cases, so that the student remains interested and engaged. I never allow them to lose focus. The second is interactivity. I hold regular discussion. The student is free to stop me anytime they are not comfortable or they have doubts, or they can ask me to repeat a concept n number of times till they have not understood. I never lose patience for that. Third is I hold a lot of practical sessions which is in sync with the theory. There will be no class without some kind of coding exercise. And the fourth is I will make you do a lot of mini projects at the end of each topic, and there will be a capstone project at the end of each course. So how do I make my class effective? The first thing I use is slides. It helps me to structure the entire course, and by this I never miss or skip any topic. The second is I use whiteboards and pen tab. Third is I provide a lot and extensive study material for each topic, like cheat sheets, revision text, etc. I will hold regular assessment too. So using all these things, we will build a solid foundation. We will excel in this skill of programming and data analytics, and you will realize your goal very soon. So let's begin this amazing journey. Hi.